Good morning, everyone. Today we are performing a peer interview. Hi, Abhinaya. Welcome to the interview. Can you introduce yourself and share your background and interests?
Hi Pratyusha, thanks for having me. I am Abhinaya, a computer science student with a strong interest in software architecture and system design.
What is multi-threading programming?
Multi-threading allows concurrent execution of tasks, improving application performance.
What are some best practices for writing clean code?
Use meaningful variable names, follow coding standards, and write modular functions.
How do you handle unexpected runtime errors?
Implement try-catch blocks, log errors, and create fallback mechanisms.
What are microservices and how do they compare to monolithic architecture?
Microservices break applications into the independent services, improving scalability, while monolithic architecture keeps everything integrated.
What is the importance of automated testing?
Automated testing ensures code reliability, speeds up development, and reduces human error.
What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous programming?
Synchronous code executes sequentially, while asynchronous allows other tasks to run while waiting, improving responsiveness.
Can you explain the concept of RESTful APIs?
RESTful APIs follow standard HTTP methods to enable communication between client and the server, ensuring scalability and simplicity.
How do you ensure security in a web application?
Use HTTPS, validate user input, implement authentication and authorization, and follow secure coding practices.
What version control tools have you used and how do you manage code collaboration?
I use Git and GitHub for version control, creating branches for features and pull requests for reviews to ensure smooth collaboration.
Describe a challenging project and how do you overcome an obstacle?
In a team project, we faced integration issues between front end and back end. I facilitated better communication and introduced API documentation, which resolved the problem.
Hi, Abhinaya. That's a good interview. So, I'd like to provide my thoughts and feedback on the interview. Good explanation of multi-threading concept and synchronous versus asynchronous programming concept. And you could have included JavaScript or Python example.
My feedback is code cleanliness response was solid. I would suggest you could mention refactoring strategies like RESTful API answer was accurate. Mentioning statelessness or HTTP status code would deepen it.
My feedback is strong understanding of security could touch on OWASP top 10 or real life breaches.
Hi Abhinaya, your explanation was excellent, but there is one feedback I want to provide. Microservices comparison was clear. Maybe you must provide a real-time example.
Thank you for your feedback.